everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and right now it's time to Wawa Hoagie Fest. Now that we are home, Hoagie Fest, first potato chips, going with the Wawa Hoagie Fest, and I got Steve a hoagie. This is a custom Italian hoagie. That's everything on it. Take a screenshot of that, you might want to do that. And then I got me a salad with spinach and all sorts of goodies. If you have a Wawa near you and you want a Hoagie Fest, Wawa. Because Hoagie Fest is the best. Because you also get a small drink, that's the cat's feet in the back. So that works. And then I got a larger drink because I got a salad. So yeah, Hoagie Fest, the best for every Hoagie Fest season. Summer is best with Wawa.